y'all, welcome back to another wig install. So this wig is from Wiggins Hair, so thank you so much to Wiggins for sponsoring today's video. Babes, let's get into this lace. Like, all of the wigs been hitting lately with the lace. It's HD, okay, and this is a 24-inch body wave frontal wig. All details will be linked in the description box, but let's just go ahead and get into this install. So I started out by brushing the hair, and I quickly learned that this hair is very, very thick. Then I began to go in with my wax stick so that I could hot comb and lay down the front, but
it's not even on.
So while my hot comb is warming up as it should have been, I'm just going to go ahead and begin to cut my lace. And I'm cutting my lace with a razor yet again because I still don't have my scissors. So I went ahead and just cut both sides of the lace. This part right here, I feel like it's super explanatory. This whole entire wig install is really super self-explanatory. Like, the girls have been on wigs for forever. I don't even feel like y'all need instructions at this point. So I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch me work. Now, this is something new that I just tried out today. I remember mentioning it in my last video, but I did go ahead and blow dry my hair this time before styling it, just because I felt like when they come with these curls, these pre-made curls, when I actually style it myself, it just looks like too much. You know, it's not flat enough. So I went ahead and blew it out a bit so that when I do my own curls, everything looks exactly how I want it to look. So I definitely recommend, if you do order one of these wigs that seem to be like all of them now, the body wave wigs, they come already curled, and I'm talking about they be set curls. Just blow it out first before you go in with your styling.
Forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and covers, and switching up on everyone who loves you. But that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know.
And just so that I can really achieve that flat look, I'm going in at the roots with my hot comb first before curling it. And I definitely feel like that made a huge difference between my install this time and my last wig install, if y'all watched that one.
We shall see. Hey, I've been out here soul searching. Hey, say you still got it, girl. It makes you so certain. Hit it, quit it, then with cold turkey. You been sneak up to your room. Ay, I found out you wasn't free too soon. Ay, your family thought we had baby too soon. I told your family not to speak too soon. Ay, 3 years later, I'm on TV. Now your brother, he ain't beat me. I don't know what he be on. Ay, cool with me, cool we.
So my camera decided to die while I was doing my edges, so I just went ahead and finished them up, laid them down, because I do like the fluffy edges or baby hairs. So I laid them down first with the even spray, make them stick. And then after I take off my scarf, I just brush them out to give that fluffy effect. And y'all, when I seen my hair, I was just like, oh my God, I'm back in the game, okay? Because, this install is looking like old Sean wig installs, like when I was really, really in my bag with the wig installs. So, yeah, I just went ahead and finished up my baby hairs, fluffed them out, and then of course I just brushed out my hair, and I'm really, really obsessed with this. So thank you so much to Wiggins for sponsoring this video, and I really hope that y'all enjoy. And like I said, all details will be in the description box. Get into it, baby, get into it. So now I don't want to take her off.